Top 5 websites to earn money online. Online earning websites are the easiest way to earn money in today's digital world. There are many more possibilities of using tools and services that will give you another way to earn money from your home. Also, these sites are tested by thousands of online users who guarantee that these sites are a permanent source of earning online money due to their usability and pay methods. List of some trusted online earning websites for you. Number 1. FreeCash. FreeCash.com is one of the best websites to make money online. You can earn money by filling out surveys, completing tasks, signups, or playing games. Users have already earned 5 million plus. FreeCash assures you not only highest payouts, instant cashouts, or low minimum withdrawals, but also a clean, modern, and user-friendly design. Active direct support, featured offers that have reliable payouts, and international signups. You can withdraw your money through PayPal, crypto like Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum, or Doge, and gift cards. Amazon, Steam, Google Play, Netflix, Spotify, Zalando, PlayStation, Xbox, and many others. FreeCash also offers several other withdrawal methods like buying skins in the most popular games like CSGO, Fortnite, League of Legends, or Valorant. Pros. Earn up to $17.25 per offer. Withdraw via PayPal, crypto, gift cards, and in-game currency. The payout threshold is just 10 cents. Live chat to request support 24/7. Available at both app or web browser. Cons. The affiliate program only pays 5% commissions. You need to pay a 5% fee if you want to cash out via PayPal. Number 2. Ysense. Online survey is a good way to earn money from the medium of the internet. On the internet, you will find a company that offers this kind of work. In online surveys, you have to write a review of the product or service or fill out the survey form, which the company uses to sell more of its product. If you ask me, I will recommend to you Ysense from my side. Ysense provides not only surveys but other online earning methods. On Ysense, you can earn money through surveys, tasks, as well as referrals. Pros. Offers different ways to make money. Lots of surveys most of the time. Is a free earning opportunity. Has a referral program. Good cash out system. Cons. No mobile version. Survey rejects sometimes. User interface is a bit outdated. Number 3. Fiverr. Fiverr is a freelancing online earning website that promotes professionals like logo design, social media posters, voiceovers, typing work, etc. for various companies and clients. It is the easiest way to earn money, starting from a $5 gig out of which $1 is charged by Fiverr for using the service. Any person with minimum skills can use Fiverr and effortlessly earn up to $100 or more per hour. All you have to do is list up services that you offer and get an order. Once the order is done, you can get paid and get more orders. Here's a $5 winning streak for everyone. Pros. Great money security is offered to all sellers. You can create multiple gigs. Easy to get an account. Good conversion rate. Cons. It's a little bit difficult for beginners. Fiverr cuts 20% of commission. Fiverr waits 14 days before sending your payment. Number 4. Amazon. You can easily earn money by becoming an Amazon affiliate. As you all know, Amazon is a very big e-commerce website. Therefore, the possibility of its product being sold is also high. You can create your Amazon Associates account for free by visiting the Amazon Affiliate Program. While registering, they ask you for a website link. If you do not have any website, you can also provide your Facebook page link. Pros: a trusted brand. Amazon has millions of products. Easy to get an account. Good conversion rate. You get commission for all items. Cons: low commission rate, 3 to 10%. Your account can get terminated without a warning. Only a 24-hour cookie. Number 5. Upwork. Upwork is one of the best money earning sites that gives you lots of tools to make money from the internet, and is the fastest and simplest way. Be it website designing, blog writing, sales, marketing, or accounting, the Upwork platform gives you space and network to build your technical skills. At Upwork, the percentage of what you're earning is calculated on the basis of how much you earn from the contractor. For instance, for the first $500 you bill to the client, sites will take a 20% commission. Then, from $500 to $10,000, Upwork only takes 10% commission. Pros: they have higher paying projects. You often get hired quickly. You can work remotely from anywhere. Their new structure boosts your chance of hire. Cons: it is difficult to get your first client. Most clients still have smaller budgets. Their website user experience is poor.